In this video, I will show you how to make money with Fantasy Premier League. So let's jump straight into it. So on Fantasy Premier League, there is actually a way to make money. Now, what you can do is, of course, set up private leagues and you can all put some money in and win money that way. But you can also join other private leagues, and some of these do actually offer cash prizes. So to find these leagues that actually have cash prizes, the best way to do this is to come across to Twitter, or what is now known as X. And what you want to do is come up to the search box once you're logged in and just put hashtag FPL League, or just hashtag FPL. And if you go ahead and press enter, you should see when you scroll down there's actually going to be some leagues that you can actually join. So for example, I've gone ahead and changed this slightly. I've put hashtag FPL League, and we're just going to scroll down. So for example, you can see this guy here has put a post up saying drop your invite codes, and if we scroll down you can see these different leagues that you can actually join. So for example, this one is offering 250k as the price, and it's going to be instructions on how to join. So for this one, I think you have to actually email the person and he's going to send you an invite code. But a lot of these you would just basically look through, and some of them have the codes or direct links to join the league. So another one, for example, is this one. So what you can do is go ahead and copy this code from here, and all you want to do is come back to Fantasy Premier League, and what you can do is go ahead and join a private league. So we just come to the Leagues and Cups tab and then go ahead and click Create and Join New Leagues and Cups. And what we do is click onto this button which says Join a League and Cup, and then of course you would click onto the top one, Join Invitational League and Cup, and you would go ahead and just put the league code into here and press on to join league. Now it looks like this one's already been used, or it's finished, or something like that, but yeah, basically what you can do is come across here, look for different leagues, and some of these are offering cash prizes, and that's how you can go ahead and make money with Fantasy Premier League. So I hope this tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.